Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our BoxyCharm, possibly Premium or Luxe, not sure which, but we'll find out in just a moment. And for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I will leave all the information down below, all the costs, all the value. And that way, if you would like to check it out for yourself, there'll also be a code. Okay, so let's just jump right in and see which box this is. Okay, it's the premium box. Okay, so let's just grab the card and see what it is all about. Can we get a card? Okay, well, this is very interesting. So, this is normally what our description card would look like. However, it does say, treat your heart out. But when we turn it over, there's no description information. So what we'll do is we'll go through the products, then I'll go online and I will check the prices for you and I will insert them on the bottom. Okay? Okay, so our first item is by Beauty Bakery. Now, I love Beauty Bakery products, okay, because everything they do has something to do with baking, okay? So this is the butter, and this is the Hydra Silk Primer, okay? And this is the 0.26 ounce size. And let's check for an expiration date as we open it up. And the expiration date, 6 months, okay? Normally, I don't open it, but we got to see what this actually looks like, okay? So, this is what the inside packaging looks like, okay? And it totally looks like a stick of butter. All right, here we go. And this is if you were to cut it just like what butter packaging looks like. It shows 1 tablespoon slices. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get this information. It says the Butter Hydra Silk Primer is a lightweight hydrating primer that provides your skin with a smooth canvas and extends the wear of your makeup. It applies just like warm but creamy butter and leaves your skin feeling like silk. It's lightweight and breathable. It leaves your skin feeling silky soft, and it's infused with goji berry extract. And it's pore filling, okay? Now, I guess we're going to have to use this primer coming up next because I'm certainly getting ready to open it. Okay, how about that? This is what the product itself actually looks like. Okay, how about that? All right, so let's just see how it feels. Oh, nice. Okay, so we'll put this on. We'll let it sit for a little bit, and then that way, I'm sure there's makeup in this box. So if we do a try on, it will be over top of some primer. Okay, so this is item number. Did I tell you how much this costs? No. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $24. The next item that we have is by Ace Beauty. I love their packaging, and it's the Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick, okay? And it says that this one is a cruelty-free product, and it says this Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick features a velvet matte air whipped formula that glides on easily and stays on all day while leaving your lips feeling comfortable. Okay, let's just open it up and see what it looks like. Now, it does also say that this has a 12-month shelf life. Let me tell you something. I am so feeling the packaging on this. This is fabulous. It is absolutely fabulous, okay? And let's see. The shade that I have is called Manifest. So let's just take it out of the packaging. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. Okay. You know I want to swatch it. I want to swatch it really badly. But we'll wait until the end. That'll give me time to decide if I want to open it yet. All right. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $28. Okay. Then the next item that we have is by Refreshments, and this is the Velvety Body Cream. This is unscented, and it is an 8 fluid ounce size. All right, and it says dive into rich velvety moisture for a royal glow. It nourishes and restores. It's quick absorbing and it's non-greasy with 24-hour hydration. And of course, it is kind to your skin. All right. Nice. It said the star ingredients are shea butter, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. Let me tell you something. This is a wonderful size package, okay? I am so here for this. All right, let's check the price. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $17, okay? So let's just keep on going. The next item we have is by CIATE London. Okay, I love this packaging. This is just my favorite color anyway. Okay, and this is the Royal Edition 24-piece eyeshadow palette. Okay, and it is a 1.3 ounce size. And it says, it's the ultimate in royal looks with CIATE London's Royal Edition eyeshadow palette. Mix and match the silky pigmented mattes with the super shimmery metallics to create countless eye looks. Okay, and this one has an 18-month shelf life. It does have a mirror in it. Ooh, these are beautiful shades. So let's just cover the mirror and then we'll go ahead. Then I can go ahead and show you what it looks like. Okay, how about that? Look at these gorgeous shades. I am so feeling this blue right here. Okay, so we'll come back and we'll swatch at the end, all right? The manufacturer suggested retail price for this palette is $48. It seems as if everything that we have left is makeup. So we're going to go ahead and start swatching right now. So I'm going to swatch that beautiful blue, of course. So here are the three that we will swatch. Starting from my left, your right, this shade is Crowning Glory. Then this one is called Royal Blue, and this one is Jubilee. So right over top of the primer, y'all, let's see. Oh, nice. And this is what these three shades look like. What do you think? I like it so far, so far. Okay, and that's just one swipe, okay? So if we were to build it up, woo, that would be fantastic. Okay, and then the next item that we have is by Natasha Denona. Okay, and of course you really don't care what this packaging looks like, but this is the 5 eyeshadow palette Jubilee. All right, and let's see what these shades look like. This one also has this one has a 24-month shelf life. And this is what that palette looks like, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $48. Now, in this one, we're just going to swatch this yellow one right here. Yellow is kind of difficult when you get it. Now here, it's called limoncello. All right, so let's just go ahead and swatch. See what this one, oh, it feels really nice. It definitely feels really nice. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to swatch. I'm not giving anybody the finger, okay? I'm not doing that. Oh, nice. Okay. How about that? That's gorgeous. It's nice and creamy. Okay, there we go. It's got a beautiful black in here as well. All right. And then we're down to our last product. This was pretty good. This was actually pretty good, if I don't say so myself. The last item that we have is by Eloise, and this is the Secret Garden Blush and Glow palette, okay? And it says that this one is a 22-gram size, and it has a 24-month shelf life. And it says, delve into the Secret Garden Blush and Glow palette to find a gorgeous array of highly pigmented 3D blushers that will entrancing, beautiful, glowy warmth to any look. So let's just take a look at it and see. Outside and inside packaging are identical. Now it does have a mirror, so we're going to, this is fabulous. I'm sorry, I don't even want to swatch this. Look at that. That is fabulous. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. These are gorgeous shades. I'm sorry, I don't even want to swatch it. I don't want to mess it up. Oh my. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now I have to admit, everything that we received this month, even if it didn't work, well, except for the lotion, of course, it's a lotion too, but all of the packaging and the products, beautiful, absolutely beautiful, okay? So, what do you think? Have you gotten your box yet? What was in your box? Leave me a message down below. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like. If you haven't gotten yours yet, based on what I showed you, what are you looking forward to and what are you hoping for? Okay, so I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm Premium Box for the month of February. These are the items that were included, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included, okay? Now, I do want to tell you, if any of the prices are incorrect, because as I stated, this month we actually did not get a description card. It just says, epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and can't wait to tell you all about it. Follow us on Instagram at BoxyCharm and get excited for the biggest beauty news of the year. That's all it says. Okay, now treat your heart out. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.